हेलो फ्रेंड्स, पिज़्ज़ा किसी अच्छा नहीं लगता है। हम सभी का फेवरेट होता है पिज़्ज़ा, खास करके बच्चों का पिज़्ज़ा बहुत ही मनपसंद होता है। बट ये जो पिज़्ज़ा है ज़रूरी नहीं हम हमेशा मैदे में बनाएं। तो आज हम इसको थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट देते हैं, थोड़ा देसी टर्न लेते हैं। आज हम बनाएंगे पिज़्ज़ा पराठा। तो आइए देखते हैं कैसे बनाते हैं पिज़्ज़ा पराठा। उसके लिए सबसे पहले हम बनाएंगे पिज़्ज़ा सॉस, वो भी हम घर पे बनाएंगे। सो लेट्स सी दिस। कम सबसे पहले विल टेक ऑलिव ऑयल. You can take any oil now, like any oil of your choice, but I just because ये पिज़्ज़ा बना रहे तो I'll prefer olive oil. To make pizza sauce, we'll need chopped onions. We need salt to taste. I've taken this Szechuan sauce. If you want, you can avoid it. This is red chili sauce. You can avoid this one if you want. Tomato ketchup, Kashmiri lal mirch, and this is pizza masala and chili flakes. And of course, we have taken tomato gravy. I have boiled the tomato and then made gravy of it. So our oil is hot enough. Now first we'll add onions. We'll have to get this onion soft and it like becomes light pink kind color. Cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Our onions are soft. Now we'll add tomato puree. You can even use market tomato puree, but I'm using this homemade. It's very easy. Just boil the tomatoes, churn it into the blender, and then strain it. Straining is very important. We'll cook it for 5 minutes. Now we'll add chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder. If your children don't prefer chili powder, just put little, but do put it. It gives color. I'm putting this red chili sauce. I'm putting this tomato sauce. And Szechuan sauce, I like Szechuan sauce, so I'm using that one also. If you want, you can avoid it. And of course, now we go for mixed herb and our red chili flakes. We'll give it a good mix. Now we'll cover it and cook for another 5 minutes. Our gravy, it's nicely done. I personally prefer little ajwain, so I'll crush little ajwain and put ajwain also inside. Now we'll add salt to taste. As per your taste, you can add salt. Give it a mix. We'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes more. Now we'll check again. Wow, it's nicely cooked, very aromatic. We'll allow it to cool down. Until then, let's make the stuffing for our pizza. So here we have chopped onion, bell peppers chopped, and we have chopped carrot. So we'll take a bowl. So we'll mix everything together. We have taken onion, carrot, capsicum, bell peppers. You can even add broccoli. I'll add corn also. Jalapenos can be added. We'll add corn. We'll mix everything properly. Now we'll add pizza seasoning. It has got all the mixed herb. We'll add very little salt because see, we have already added salt in our pizza sauce, so we'll not require much. We'll add very little this salt in this one, because ultimately we are going to add pizza sauce in this mixture also. So after mixing it properly, we'll wait for our pizza sauce to come to room temperature, and then we'll add in this one. We'll add pizza sauce. You can increase the pizza sauce as per your taste or decrease it. I have added good amount. Will not make it very saucy, otherwise our paratha will be very soggy kind. We want crisp paratha, so we'll add sauce as per required, so that it covers up our vegetables properly. That's all. That's more important. So this is done. This is the dough that we have prepared. एक नॉर्मल व्हीट आटे का ही डो है. वी हैव जस्ट पुट लिटिल अजवाइन, 1 टीस्पून ऑफ ऑयल एंड एक नॉर्मल डो लगा लिया है. वील रेस्ट दिस डो फॉर हाफ एन आवर. तो हाफ एन आवर रेस्ट करने से क्या होता है, डो थोड़ा सा लाइक अच्छा फॉर्म आउट होता है. सो दिस इज़ आवर डो रेडी. वी हैव हीटेड आवर तवा ओवर हियर. सो नाउ let's start. The small dough that we have taken, we'll dust with very little atta, wheat flour, and now roll this one. We'll first place our this cheese slice. Now we'll add pizza stuffing. One more style we can do. We'll add our pizza stuffing. Spread it. Just bring the other side this way. Now with the help of a fork, we'll seal it. With your hand, dab it a little. Brush it with butter. Just dab a little on the sides so that it gets cooked properly. We'll keep it in this way also, so that bottom crust also gets cooked. So a delicious pizza paratha ready. It's full of health, and I'm sure children will definitely like it. Do subscribe my channel and give your feedback. Thank you. Bye bye.